My name is Wilkie Whale. Today is the 9th of October 2023, and the TTC has changed some stuff. We're gonna go see that today. Unfortunately, we're filming this on a holiday Monday. We can't see everything because 2 of the changes are rush hour only, so I guess screw me. Joining me, as always, we have Camera, and let's jump right into it. Yonge has been extended down to St. Clair Station. There's 3 branches. The 97A and B operate from here and go all the way to Seals, with the 97B diverging to Yonge Boulevard. And the 97C goes from Eglinton Station down to Union Station now. It used to go all the way down to Queens Quay, but it's been cut back to Front Street. So we are on the 97 now, and we got one of the new buses, so I'm very happy about that.
USB.
Yeah, we got USB plugs. So that's Davisville Station just over there. That's where the 97 used to terminate, but it does not anymore. And now we're on Yonge Street here. So the destination sign up there, I don't think the stops have been inputted yet because they literally just made this change yesterday. And also we're the only people here, so we're probably the only ones who know about it. So that's the bus we just got off. As you can see, it's one of the new ones, 7054. Oh, yeah. We checked and it was literally delivered like a month ago, so yeah. Yeah, so that's 97 Yonge. Anyways, hi Camera. We're now at Eglinton Station, where we are going to get on a bus and see a cool thing. Okay.
I'm excited.
See ya. So we just got off at 54, and we might be screwed because I was gonna take us on the 54D, but it's not appearing on any of the, it's not appearing on the TTC Watch app, and the TTC website's not working, so we might be completely screwed and it might not be running. Get in the shot. So you see, what I'm doing is copying hit British train YouTuber Jeff Marsh. This change is the 54D, and the 54D has been operating since, I think, May. If you're out of the loop, then I wouldn't blame you because it's kind of obscure, but basically the TTC installed this like weekend, daytime, and early evening, I think, tripper service that basically went between, or goes between Donway over there and Morningside all the way over there, basically just boosting service over the busiest part of the route. From what I can tell, this is supposed to now operate weekday midday between 9 and 3. Now we're gonna wait here for a little bit to see if we can find it, if it's actually operating, but if it's not, then, well, we're just gonna take another 54 and go to the next place. And then something weird happened. On the horizon, we saw a 54, and of course we were excited that it could be a 54D, but it ended up being a 54B. Well, so what? We decided to just wait. So here's the weird thing. The TTC's schedule app was not working, and the 54D was not showing up on TTC Watch, so I was not able to track it. So as far as I knew, it was a ghost bus. But according to the TTC schedule, which I was able to access, this bus was supposed to be a 54D, but it ran as a 54B for some reason. This, as a theme, continues on. So, Camera,
Yeah.
do you want to just walk to the DVP over there and see what happens?
I would love to.
Your audio for this part's going to be really bad because I have the lav mic on. Honestly, maybe you should be filming me. How about that? How about that?
Yeah.
Look, it's me.
Oh my god, glorious Wilkie.
Oh, I know what I want to see.
Yeah?
Okay, I'm gonna go on an adventure here. This is complete side tangent, complete side track, has nothing to do with the TTC. Lawrence used to take a different alignment through the Don Valley, which we're about to approach. Just because we're here, I think you can see part of the old bridge, like this little park on the other side of the intersection or interchange. So that's where we're going. I will meet you there. You're the host. Present on it. On this terrible road design, present on it.
Oh, I have to, okay, this road design is so bad. Well, because it's barely walkable and no people can use it.
No pedestrian crossing here. No drivers must yield to pedestrian signs. No pedestrian must yield to driver signs. Come on. Like, I so freaking hate that. That's terrible. It is a pretty nice view though. You never like stop and just look at this when you're driving on the DVP, which is very, very pretty.
Wilkie.
Yeah?
What is this? I can't read it.
They must have put that there in like 1960 when they built this bridge. I'm just not having a good time. This is terrible.
If only the bus would come through here.
Yeah, I mean, there's a 54 there, but it's not a 54D. All of this just to try to find a bus that we don't even know is real or not. Like it's a ghost bus, you know?
Think about what we do for you guys, the viewers.
Well, what viewers? Okay, well, we're going this way down this little corridor.
Okay.
Last chance for a 54D. Any coming? Nope, did not think so. Dearie me. We go places.
This is probably the furthest I've walked this weekend.
Really?
You should give this like a super clickbaity title, like looking for the ghost bus. We went into the deep forest? ? Maybe then that'll raise your view count.
Almost got hit by a car while searching for ghost bus. And then in the thumbnail, there's like a red circle. This might be wrong, but I think around here, maybe right here, was where there used to be a Lawrence Avenue bridge over the Don River before that over there was built. Come with me, camera. Oh, wait, we can go down here.
Don't die on me.
It's such a video.
I'm gonna turn this into a Logan Paul video if you die on me right now.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, perfect, okay.
Oh, are we seriously going back up right now?
We're going to go back up, but that I'm pretty sure is a bridge abutment for Lawrence Avenue. So what we're gonna do now is go back over there and go back over there.
Okay, gotcha.
So there's the bridge abutment there, and you can see another one just there on the opposite bank.
Oh yeah, there it is.
What we're standing on right now appears to be some kind of mix of asphalt and dirt. It's part of the road curb here.
Oh yeah, check that out.
And you can't even tell that there was a road there once, like 60 years ago, I think.
Huh.
We're now gonna try to go back to Lawrence Avenue and see if we can find this random bus route. Godspeed us. Oh dear, okay. So basically, we've not seen anything. I really hope that that's not a 54D because we are nowhere near close enough to a bus stop to catch that. Yeah, I did notice a couple of 54Ds a couple weekends ago, so I do know that they're real, but I don't know if they're real anymore right now. Yeah, so it was just an A. There it is now, so yeah. Did you know something, viewers? That's a Tesla dealership, and I don't like Tesla. But aside from that, right there is a 54. I was, I think, at this intersection just a couple weeks ago, and I saw multiple 54Ds. I can't find any now, and it's a weekend. So there's two conclusions. Either they made it so it does not run on weekends anymore, or it doesn't run on holidays, because today is technically a holiday rather than a Sunday schedule. Either way, this video is terrible because we've only seen one actual service change. Because the next one at Lawrence East Station is with an express route, which does not operate on weekends. So why did I do this then? At least it's not as bad as the October video, which was so bad I had to scrap it. Okay, so we just had Tim Hortons, and much to my dismay, we have not seen a single 54D. So what we're thinking of doing now is just taking a normal 54 to the other spot that we're trying to go to, which is Lawrence East Station. So yeah.
This is very nice.
Yeah. I really like the colors of this. So this side's like blue and purple, I think. The other side's, yeah. It does look pretty good though, aside from that like, that graffiti over there. Okay, so I think our bus is just over there, but before we get on it, the thing says 954. The 954 does not go all the way out here because that's for when Crosstown opens, but Crosstown's not open yet. But camera, on the topic of the 954, and there's gonna be a smooth transition here, and the fade transition led here. I forget originally why I made the fade transition. We couldn't find a 54D, and frankly, I don't know what happened to it, but it's not here anymore. Well, we're here at what used to be Lawrence East Station. The Lawrence East Express bus, the 954, that has been extended. Well, it used to terminate here at Lawrence East, but it's been extended down to Scarborough Center Station over the route of the 903. So if you're on the 954, you can now get it from Kennedy Station, so you don't have to ride the RT if you were getting on that. So now we're at Lawrence East Station. It's fairly sketchy here, but it's now closed. Basically, the other service changes this month are these routes here have been service increased, so you'll now have better service on these routes. These routes here have had their service decreased. A whole bunch of routes have had timings adjusted and stuff so that people don't, so buses don't bunch together. There are a couple miscellaneous changes, including the Kiel Express bus is now going to operate during the midday on weekdays. The 903 Scarborough Center Express bus, which goes from Kennedy to Place Line 3 basically, that's now going to show up on trip apps. Also, I forgot to mention this, but the 903 and the 954 have been extended down to a new bus terminal at Kennedy Station, which is very big for just two routes, but it'll be used when all those other routes from Scarborough Center are extended down here to Kennedy Station in November. And all the seasonal routes, like the 200 series routes, all that's now gone for the winter. There's one other thing I did not cover, and that's the construction. But for that, we're gonna have to go to Construction Corner. First of all, the 501D Queen bus replacement streetcar thing will now loop like this. The 503 Kingston Road is now a streetcar again instead of a bus and will now operate all day, every day. The 506 Carlton streetcar is now completely back to normal, being the largest and longest east-west streetcar route, which is now back to normal. And as for buses, the 40 and 46 going to Kipling Station are now moved to a temporary bus terminal due to construction. And finally, the 29 and 929 Duffin buses have been extended like this because of construction in exhibition. That's the end of Construction Corner. We're gonna go explore what's left of Lawrence East Station. So, this is the underpass. It's also sketchy as hell in here. It's very echoey. I like these lights here.
There are like a million signs out here that are just like, do not commit crime, no trespassing, no stealing.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. So I feel like this is a very crime.
So we're here now at the bus terminal area. You can't go in there anymore, they don't let you. And this over here is what remains of the bus terminal. So as you can see up there, that's the old signage for the Lawrence East buses, which went here. Those are the only buses that ever called at Lawrence East Station, so now it's a dead zone. Over here you can see some of the old tracks and what remains of Scarborough RT Station. So now I'm not sure, but it's very possible that the entire thing was going to be demolished for the busway that they're going to be putting in, but I don't know, because in the plans, it's vague if they're going to demolish it or not, but if they don't, then like, I really want them to have like one last day where they let everyone in to just like enjoy it, because like, this architecture is so bland that it's really, really cool. So what's very interesting but incredibly nerdy is that all TTC stations have these little like plaques on their stairwells showing like what station, what line, elevator, escalator, stairwell, and the number it is. Like the one over there was 2S, for instance. So there's also like a lot of old signage left around over here. There's this one over here, which I saw earlier, which says 2SRT. I'd be willing to bet that they might keep that there like past its demolition, because it's probably going to be demolished definitely by like the 2030s. So hopefully that stays there. The last thing here, and probably also the last thing in the video, because we've already covered everything, is these two signs here showing the layout of the Lawrence East parking area. I do also hope this sign survives, because I think it's very neat. I bet you probably could, like, if you came by here with like a knife, like you'd probably just like get all those off and take it home, you know?
You're exciting your viewers to do.
Yeah, of course. No, I'm not. I'm not. Don't do that, please. So not much has changed this month, and that's very interesting because Mayor Olivia Chow promised a lot of TTC service increases. Now, all that's supposed to be this November, apparently. Subway service still doesn't run quite as frequent as it used to before COVID-19. There are several TTC bus routes which are not operating as frequent as they used to. Streetcars, oh, don't even get me started on the streetcars. So much is wrong, but will it be fixed? Tune in next month. This is terrible, man, honestly. See ya.